everybody, this is Chef Dana Cooks and I'm back again at the grocery store and with another recipe. Actually today I have two recipes for you. Today we're going to be making Dorito Encrusted chicken wings. And we're going to take the healthier approach and we're going to bake them instead of frying them. All these flavors, I think I'm going to go with the spicy nacho. You could use any flavor for this recipe, but I think I'm going to kick it up a notch. Not as hot as the Blaze, but I want some spice to my wings. And I kind of want that cheese in there too, so I'm going to go with the spicy nacho. So we're going to make the Dorito Encrusted chicken wings, and I think I'm going to make an avocado ranch dip for these wings. And I believe it's going to be really, really good. And not too difficult either. Make sure to hit subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Chef Dana Cooks. So watch me as I show you guys how to make these Dorito Encrusted wings with avocado ranch dip.